Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be talking about the names for different polygons. So octagons, pentagons, things like that. So let's get into it. First off, a polygon is just a fancy word. Poly means many, gon means side, so it's a many-sided shape. Polygons, they always have straight lines, they're a closed figure, okay, but it's just sort of a fancy math word for a shape. So triangle, most people are familiar with. Think of a tricycle has 3 wheels, triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles. So that's a triangle. A quadrilateral, think of a quarter, right? A quarter is 1/4 of a US dollar. So quadrilateral has 4 sides. The pentagon, there is the very famous pentagon in the US for the Department of Defense. For a hexagon, I don't have a picture, but think of the letter X, right, is also 6 hex. 6 sides is a hexagon. Think of the X. Heptagon, don't have a great example. I would just memorize that one. An octagon, think of an octopus, has 8 sides, or if you think of a US stop sign has 8 sides, that's an example of an octagon. Nonagon sounds like the word 9, right? It starts with an N, so nonagon, 9 sides. For a decagon, you can remember that a decade has 10 years, or if you know what a decathlon is, a decathlon has 10 events. And then hendecagon and dodecagon, these are ones that I just memorize. All right, here is our cool clock for today, which means that it's time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 2 problems on your own. And when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. For the first problem, they're asking for a hendecagon, which is an 11-sided. I just numbered all my sides, found the 11-sided shape, which is the green one in the bottom left. And for the last problem, nonagon has 9 sides. Notice that the blue one here, even though some of the sides are different lengths, okay, this is still a nonagon because it has 9 sides. So the blue one and the yellow one are correct. All right, that's it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.